In this video, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile step by step using the Facebook app. First, open the Facebook application on your phone. Once Facebook opens, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then open Settings. Now scroll down and find Audience and Visibility. This section controls who can see your profile and activity. First, tap on Followers and Public Content. Change who can follow me to friends instead of public. Next, change who can see your followers on your timeline to friends or only me for more privacy. Go through each option in this section and make sure everything is set to friends or only me, not public. After that, go back and open Profile and Tagging. Here, set who can post on your timeline to only me. Set who can see what others post on your timeline to friends or only me. Turn on Review posts you're tagged in and review tags people add to your posts. This will give you full control over tagging. Now, there is another option available in some regions called Profile Locking. To check this, go to your Facebook profile and tap on the three dots next to your profile picture. If you see Lock Profile, tap on it and confirm. This option is not available in all countries, so if you don't see it, that's normal. Once these settings are applied, your Facebook profile will be locked as much as possible, and only your friends will be able to see your information and posts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.